Hi, today let us see the preparation of making homemade halls or homemade Vicks drops for sore throat and cold. Do you believe me? Yes, it's very easy. In a bowl, add 1 cup of sugar. Into it, add half cup of water. Using a spoon or spatula, mix it well. Everything got mixed. Now I am going to transfer this in a wider pan and I am going to switch on the flame. The flame should be in medium. In the meanwhile, I am going to add honey, around quarter cup of honey. Mix this well. I am taking a large piece of ginger, grate the skin. In a blender, just grind it into a fine paste. Add the ginger paste into the sugar syrup. Mix this well. Now it starts boiling. Add half lime or lemon juice into it. Mix it well. Ginger and lemon has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to cure cold, cough, and it also helps in digestion. Scrape the edges. You can see now my sugar syrup turns into foamy texture. Now it's reduced. The portion of my sugar syrup got reduced. Take a plate with some of water to check the consistency. Just I am pouring in the middle of the plate. This is not the perfect consistency because it has to form a ball-like structure. See, the ball is not forming till it's not ready. Again scrape the edges. Keep your flame medium. Again I am checking. The same way. I am dropping some sugar syrup into the water. I am checking. I think it's not done because it's not. See here, it's not forming a ball. It's not done. When you lift it, it has to become a round ball. So it's not forming. Again, I am scraping the edges. Now the quantity got reduced. I think again I am checking the consistency. I think it's ready now. Yes, it's when you take it out from the water, it has to be stiff like a ball. See here? Yes, now it's ready. It's like a ball. When I drop into the water, it has to be very firm. It's perfect. Now immediately take a butter paper. Just pour a spoon of sugar mixture as shown in the video. Here you have to be very fast. Now leave it for half an hour. It has to get set. Yes, now it is ready. So just I am making this as into a candy shape. Using a butter paper and wrapping this. It is a very great recipe for kids. You know, if they are suffering from cough or cold, it is a great recipe you can give to the kids or elders. Now I am transferring this into an airtight jar. You can preserve this for 6 months. Natural, homemade. Definitely try this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel Hema Dinesh Kitchen for more interesting videos.